Hey, Bonnie. Bonnie's Bakery, how can I help you? Oh yeah, I would like a cup of coffee. Okay, and what's your name? Tyrone Rodriguez? Okay, coming right up. Why can't I help? Seriously. Whoa! You scared me! No, because last time you broke the coffee machine. I will teach you tomorrow how to use the coffee machine, okay? Michael Rodriguez has the same last name as him. So please don't ruin this. And anyways, there's a new worker here. Her name is, what's that name? Melanie Houston. And she just came here from Norway. So yeah, be nice to her. I know it's your first day, but can you get me a cup real quick so I don't have coffee? Sure thing. I'm going. Here you go. Whoa, that cup is huge. There. Whoa! What? I got it. Thank you. Well, I need to give the cup to the customer. How do you like your coffee? It's amazing.